Marsano with the Welsh team in Keller Williams. I'm here at 2339 Paramount Drive in Jacksonville on the south side. We are doing an open house here. This is a great 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,285 square foot home in the Waverly Place development. So come on in and take a look. Great, as I said, we are at 2339 Paramount Drive here in Jacksonville. Come on in, you have a lovely little entryway here. Ceramic tile floor throughout the entire house. Okay. Open up into your living room area. We'll take a look at the backyard in a little bit. Wait till you see the backyard, it is spectacular. As you can see, we have had more open concept here with the kitchen as well. Stainless steel appliances. You have a great view from your kitchen window of the front of the house. Nice natural light coming in. You have pantry right here for storage, for some extra storage. Okay, and again, we are at 2339 Paramount Drive in Jacksonville. Be sure to visit thewelshteam.com for additional information. Okay, come on through this way. We'll go to the master. Very spacious master bedroom, 12 by 14. We have a great master bathroom here. Nice walk-in shower that's all tiled. Your vanity and then your walk-in closet area. Again, this room is 12 by 14 for the master. This is a great split floor plan, so if you have guests, they can stay on the other side of the house, so you're kind of separating privacy and everything. We'll take a look at the second and third or bedroom, sorry. Right, so nice and spacious, really nice colors. Oops, sorry. The additional bedroom sizes are 13 by 11 and 12 by 11. Okay. And again, feel free to go on to welsh.com, or I'm sorry. I'm so sorry, I messed with the thing. welshteam.com to see additional videos and pictures of the home as well. All right, here's the third bedroom. We have double door closets. Okay. All right, let's go. All right, I'm going to take you out back. Wait until you see this backyard. This is an entertainer's dream. All right, a nice big patio with pergola, some pavers. This would be a great place to have a fire pit area. Vinyl fencing is newer. Again, we're at 2339 Paramount Drive, okay? And we are here in Jacksonville on the south side location, Waverly Place development. The HOA for here is $220 a year. The price of the house is $285. Okay, so that's a great price for a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Space to have cookouts and barbecues and everything. Some other great features about the house is the roof was replaced in 2013, AC was replaced in 2015. You are close to tons of shopping. You're within 4 minutes to Publix, you're within 10 minutes to the Jacksonville beaches. So it's a great location, A-rated school district. So tons of benefits to living around here. And again, you're getting a great house for a great price. Again, we're at 2339 Paramount Drive here in Jacksonville. List price is $285. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,285 square foot home. Be sure to give me a call. My name's Debbie, 904-417-8122 to view this home in person. feel free to visit welchteam.com for more pictures and things like that. And come on down and see this great house, all right? We're gonna take one more quick look around, all right? And make sure you're typing your questions into the chat box in case you have anything. You can answer it right away. So again, we have your second and third bedroom here with joining bath, okay? Ceramic tile flooring all throughout the house. It looks like wood. Okay, nice touches and features to this great house. You have your kitchen, which opens up into your living room area. Plenty of space and cabinet space and pantry space in your kitchen. Really nice sized master bedroom with your bath and your stand-in shower that's been completely retiled and a walk-in closet. And once again, we're at 2339 Paramount Drive here in Jacksonville. 3-bed, 2-bath, 1,285 square foot home for $285. It's a great deal, guys. You don't want to miss out on this. It's a really great little neighborhood and development. So give us a call, and you have, again, your fabulous backyard for entertaining. We'll take a look at that real quick too again. Again, it's really nice because you have the pergola, lots of space to spread out the fire pit area out here, roasting marshmallows in the fall and winter time, because you know how Florida is in winter, and still sit outside. So again, if you have any questions, my name's Debbie. I'm at the Welch Team, Keller Williams, 904-417-8122. Give me a call, guys. Bye.